So we have this interesting question from fractions. This is an endless fraction and we need to find the value of this endless fraction. Correct. So to find the value, what we can do, we can assume the value of this fraction as x. So let the value of this fraction be x. Now, if you look at the fraction, this part is nothing but x again. Yes, because again, this is an endless fraction, the same endless fraction that we started with. So this can be written as x again. So in the first step, let's rewrite this question. If we rewrite this question, we will get 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus x is equals to x. Correct? Now, if you replace x with this fraction, again you will get an endless fraction. Correct? That's why we replace this with x. Now, in the next step, we will take LCM. LCM of this fraction, which is 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 upon 1. So we will take fraction of 2 upon 1 and 1 by 3 plus x. If we take LCM, what we will get? We will get 1 upon 2 times 3 plus x plus 1 upon 3 plus x is equals to x. Now what will happen in the next step? In the next step, this will go in the numerator and this will remain as the denominator. So let's jump to the next step. So in the next step, we will get 3 plus x upon 2, 3 plus x plus 1 is equals to x. In the next step, we will be simplifying this further. We will get 3 plus x is equals to 6x plus 2x square plus x. Let's simplify this further. We will get 2x square plus 6x minus 3 is equals to 0. After this, we will be using the quadratic root formula. What is that? According to that formula, roots of a quadratic equation will turn out to be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Correct? What is a, b and c here? See, the general quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So here a is 2, b is 6, and c is negative 3. Correct? Now we will be using this quadratic formula to find the value of x. Okay, so let's find the value of x. So x will turn out to be minus b, as I told you previously, b is 6. So minus 6 plus minus b square, that is 6 square minus 4, a is 2, c is negative 3 upon 2a. A is 2. Okay. Now please understand, we have two roots for quadratic equation. One is plus and one is negative. Now please think, if I take negative from here, so negative and negative will give me a negative answer. But the value of x can't be negative. The reason being, look at the fraction. Do you think the value of this fraction can be negative? No, it cannot be negative. So what we will do, we will not consider this negative sign. We will not consider this negative sign. So let's remove this negative sign. Okay. We will not consider it, because if we take the negative sign, the value of x will turn out to be negative, which is not possible in this case. Okay, so let's solve ahead. So x will turn out to be minus 6 plus under root 60 upon 4. Now 60 can be written as 15 times 4. So 4 will come outside the square root and we will get 2 under root 15 upon 4. Now 2 can be taken common from both the terms in the numerator, and we will get x as 2 under root 15 negative 3 upon 4. Now we can cancel out 2 and 4. So the final value of x that we need to find is root 15 minus 3 upon 2. So this will be the value of this huge fraction that we need to find out, this endless fraction. The value of this endless fraction is root 15 minus 3 upon 2. This will be our final answer.